what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys, how's everyone doing? Let's go ahead and take a look at the market. Cosmic Ape Crusaders. Floor price is 7.78. I expected this, like I mentioned in my video, just because I know some tail robotic holders bought into this project. And the project looked clean. It looked nice. I expected this price. I expected to go up. Still, I know it hit like an all-time high. I think it was like at 11. It hit 11. I didn't buy into it, unfortunately, you guys. But hey, you know, there's always more to look out for, more projects out there. Faded Foxes. They did release today as well. Their floor price, I think it even hit like 3. I don't see this as a long-term play, you guys. I didn't like the Discord. I didn't like the vibe in there. A lot of FUD going on. It's too much FUD going on, you guys. The team. I didn't like the project, but hey, if you guys own one of these and you guys like it, I mean, I'm just giving you my 2 cents on it, giving you my opinion. You guys are always free to do whatever you guys want. It's just my opinion. Sometimes I'm wrong, you know. I'm not right 100% of the time. Tombstone sets on crack. I already told you guys I'm bullish on these projects too. There's one more project out there that I am bullish on as well. As you can see here, the tab, it's open. It's Famous Fox Federation. They're doing a ton of stuff, you guys. I'm super bullish on this project. I see them going I see them going to 50 SOL floor price. I see them 2xing from here. No lie, maybe not soon, but it might take a month, it might take 2, but I see them going up. I don't see them going down. They're doing too much. They're a hardworking team, that's for sure, you guys. That's a fact. But let's go ahead and continue. So before I go ahead with the upcoming mints, I do want to let you guys know in my Discord, I do some project plays as well. For example, Cat Cartel. I called it March. I mean, we're not in March. I mean, April 4th. April 4th, what was the price here? What was the floor price? It was at 3.9 or 4.3. Now it's at 6.49. You would have been profit around probably like 2 SOL or 1.5, depends on fees. Another example, let's go ahead. Bohemia. I called it, I think it was the same day, March 4th. That's when I called it, when everything was taking a dip that day. They're at 12.55, and it was at 8.99 March 4th or 8.20. It did go down as well. But yes, you guys. So go ahead, join the Discord, you guys. Sometimes I do some plays. I've been on fire lately. I'm not going to lie to you guys. But I'm not going to say all my calls are 100% of the time. Some of my calls, you know, I don't get them right all the time, you guys. But, you know, everybody's not perfect. But let's go ahead and continue, guys, with the upcoming mints. And I got for you guys Fellow Apes. So they are actually releasing tomorrow. A lot of influencers behind this project, a lot of big Twitter influencers behind this project. That's a good thing. That's a good positive that this project has. I'm sorry about that, about my stuttering. Let me go ahead and show you guys some art here. The art looks great. I like it. A lot of ape projects coming out, you guys, lately, huh? Let's go ahead and go on the roadmap here. So they got the staking with the DAO, and then the roadmap B2. Maybe they're going to come out with some sort of breeding. If you guys do look into buying this and holding long term, I recommend trying maybe holding 2, because once the staking comes out, maybe they're going to come out with breeding or some sort of mutation, and you have to hold 2 or something. You never know. But I see this project doing good just because, like I said, the influencers behind this project, they're well known in the Solana space, and they have a little bit of hype going on as well, 11.3K. But yeah, you guys, this is one of the projects to look out for tomorrow. So I do have one more for you guys as well. Where is it at? It is Eagles. So Eagles, let's go ahead here. Their website's not announced yet. But let's go ahead and show you guys a sneak peek first of all. So arts, it's all right, you know. Not that many eagles out in NFTs, so it's a new animal for me. I don't think I own anything with an eagle on it. But let's go ahead, check the most important, the roadmap. So staking, DAO, breeding, merchandise. The usual, you guys. So mint price 1.5. Mint date is 9th April. Fly list. So 971. So supply is going to be 4,000 NFTs. They're going to be 4 races of 1,000 eagles. And then they are going to dox themselves as well, as you guys could see here. So do more research in this project. I'm just going to have my eye on it. I'm not that interested in this project, you guys. It's just something I want to show you guys that's coming up. You guys probably take a look at it. Maybe it's probably way too late to get whitelisted here. So let me go ahead and show you guys one more. Yes, I'm going to give you guys one more project. I usually do two. I'm still going to do a video on this, but it is called Do Your Own Research. Where is it at? Nerds. They are launching April 25th. Join their Discord. It's probably, it's still early, you guys. You still have a couple days left. Try to get that whitelist. I'm sort of bullish on this project if they don't rug. That's the thing nowadays. But go ahead, you guys, check it out. And then I forgot to mention, you guys, one more thing on Fellow Apes. So if you do have whitelist in this project, be careful, you guys. So on Famous Fox, if you guys are new to the channel, Famous Fox is where you buy your whitelist tokens. And Famous Fox, their whitelist tokens are going for, let's see here, 1.39. But what I heard is, I'm not going to tell you guys it's confirmed, that the whitelist is not guaranteed. So just be careful out there when you're buying your whitelist tokens. And that's all for me, you guys. I'll catch you guys later. Join my Discord, you guys. You know, we all are gonna make it. Wag me. You guys have a great one. Until next time, I'll show you guys more. I'm gonna make a video on this NFT. Let me just do more research on it as well. Catch you guys later, and peace.